Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing another ButcherBox unboxing, but before we get to that, I did need to update you with some new information. Unfortunately, I filmed this unboxing video right before ButcherBox changed their current deal. So as you're watching this unboxing, you're going to hear me say the deal that you can get if you subscribe through my link. And I need you to know that that has changed slightly. So you will still get $30 off of your first box if you sign up through my link, which is in the comments below. But the deal that you're going to get with it is no longer the New Year's bundle. Instead is actually ground beef for life. So this is actually good news, I think, because it's a deal that will keep on giving. So this means that in your first box, you'll not only get the $30 off, you'll also get 2 pounds of free ground beef. And then every single box you get after that for the lifetime of your membership, you'll get 2 pounds free of ground beef. So like I said, I think it's a better deal because it'll keep on giving, but I just wanted you to know that the deal I'm going to mention in the video is no longer available and it's a little bit different. So I will have the updated information in the comments below underneath the link that you can sign up through if you want to get these deals. All right, you guys, here's the unboxing. Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another ButcherBox unboxing. I recently shared my first ever ButcherBox unboxing with you and had mentioned how I would probably share the next few. So this is the next one after that. This is our monthly, well, I shouldn't say monthly, it's a meat subscription box. We actually get it bi-weekly, but there's an option to do it monthly. But this is our meat subscription box that we normally get. So we have the normal subscription in here, plus lots of member deals. I did this last time, I added a bunch of member deals, and then this time, it'll probably be the last time for a little while that I add extra, but we are trying to stock up our freezer. So let's start unboxing this and I can show you what is all in this one. As we're starting to look in this, I will put a link below. I shared this last time as well, but I do have a link that if you want to sign up for a ButcherBox subscription, if you don't already have one, you can go through my link and you will get $30 off your first box plus 7 pounds of free meat, a pork butt, chicken thighs, and ground beef, all included in your first box. So definitely a great time to try this out. So real quick, I showed last time, but I kind of like, this box is huge, so I can't get it all on the camera, but I do like to share with you how things come packaged. It's something I would want to know before doing something like this. I'd want to make sure everything comes and is still cold and it's packaged really well. So if I can get it in the view, kind of right there. So this is the thick top. So you open the box and there's a whole nother top of cardboard. Insulated cardboard and stuff. And then you have the dry ice. Sometimes there's pieces left. This one is mostly gone. There's a few chunks in there. And then you have another, usually like another piece of padding. So it's packaged really, really well. Get rid of that stuff so that everything stays nice and cold. So there's a ton of meat in this box. I'm going to move the box and we'll start pulling it out. I'll share with you what were the member deals that I got, and then I'll share with you what was just the actual subscription portion. Okay. Move that to the side. These are very heavy when we get extra meat. And then let me zoom. Oh, sorry, you're seeing all my planner area mess. I'm going to zoom back into normal size here. Okay, there we go. Make sure it's focused. Okay, so some of the things we got. We did, one of the member deals was a shrimp and bacon bundle. So here is the shrimp, raw Gulf shrimp, 1 pound. That looks so good. And then a thing of bacon. And then here is our pork sirloin roast. Trying to see if this is, so I think these are the ones that were, yeah, so there was a deal with these pork Yeah, pork sirloin roasts, 2 roasts for $7.50. So that was the deal. So pretty cheap for pork roasts. So I got a few of those. I think, let me see. There might be a couple more of those in there, but we'll keep going for now. And then the next deal I got, there was a poultry bundle. And so in the poultry bundle, you get chicken thighs. These are the boneless. I prefer to get the boneless when we're getting the chicken. And then a whole chicken. All organic, free range, no hormones. All of this meat is super high quality, super healthy meat, which is one of the main reasons we go through ButcherBox. And then now with prices skyrocketing, this meat is actually a really good deal, especially when you're getting really healthy, high quality meat. Then we have chicken tenderloins, and then we should have some chicken breasts as the last thing. There they are. Then the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So all 4 of the different cuts of chicken, that was a bundle, a member deal bundle. And that was $68. All right, let's make some room here. Okay, then the next bundle we did was a pack of 10 packages of bacon for $55. So that's $5.50 per pack of bacon, which I don't know if it's like this where you're at, but where we're at, bacon is very expensive. You pay a little bit more than that for the cheap kind of bacon right now at Walmart. So we definitely didn't want to pass this up. We love bacon in this house. And again, it's uncured, no nitrates, humanely raised pork. It's really high quality and healthy meat. So let's see, we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're actually going to come out with 12 total, I think, because we got 1 pack with the shrimp, and then we got 10 in that member deal, and then every one of our boxes comes with a free pack of bacon. So something to watch for if you subscribe to ButcherBox is these member deals, and once in a while in the past they have done a add-on bacon this time, and then you get it free for life after that, for the life of your subscription. So we've done that with bacon, and we've done that with ground beef so far. So here's our ground beef. So every single box we get at least 1 thing of bacon and 2 pounds of ground beef every time. Okay, next thing is this cold smoked Alaska sockeye salmon. My husband loves this stuff. I got it for him. I like salmon sometimes, and then sometimes I don't. I think it's that it's so healthy. I really want to like it, but I don't always enjoy it. It just has a really distinct taste that sometimes I can get down with, sometimes I can't. But anyway, he's gonna love this. This was $16 for 8 ounces. Of course, when we're talking salmon and seafood, that stuff is a little bit more expensive, and they don't always offer this, so I definitely wanted to pick it up while they had it. And then another deal they had was the charcuterie board variety of salamis. We have Genoa salami, prosciutto, and capicola, and I love this stuff. I've actually never tried it from ButcherBox though. They don't always have it available, and so they did have this for $15 that we are going to try out, and I'm really excited. Again, it's super awesome. No antibiotics, no added hormones, all vegetarian feeds, gluten-free, all natural, all of the things that you want. Okay, then I think that is the last of our deals. So I think the rest now that I'm going to pull out would be just the actual subscription box. So in this this subscription box, we got 2 pounds of ground sirloin beef. And then some flat iron, grass-fed, grass-finished flat iron steaks. We have our grass-fed premium steak tips, 2 pounds of those. And then we got a tri-tip, boneless tri-tip, and then a grass-fed beef shoulder roast. So there's the roast. All right, so there it is, everything in our box this time. Lots of member add-ons, member deals, and yeah, so I'll real quick share a couple things on the subscription box for you. Normal subscription box is $137. You can do it every week, bi-weekly, once a month. It's totally flexible, so you can always change your date. Like sometimes if we're out of town or if we just have enough meat, I may adjust the date or I can skip a box. It's, like I said, really flexible. And then you can choose from, for that $137, you can choose an all beef box, which is what we do currently. We've changed it up sometimes. You can do a variety box that includes pork, beef, and chicken. You can do beef and chicken or beef and pork, I think are the options. So there's always at least some beef included. The other thing, but it is a little more expensive, I think it's like $157 for your box, is a totally customizable one where you have a list of options and you get to pick a certain amount. Let me see, I might be able to look that up real quick for you. So yeah, the custom box, you can select 6 different cuts of meat for $159 or 12 cuts of meat for $288. And that's where you get to pick from the list that they have available. You get to pick what you want, so it's not just a surprise. With all the other options I mentioned, it is kind of a surprise what you get. And then on top of what you're getting, you can always add on specific different different cuts of meat, or you can add on any member deals that they are offering at the time. So look below, you guys. I'll have a link. $30 off your first box plus the free New Year meat bundle, which is 7 pounds of meat on top of the normal in the subscription, which it'll include a pork butt, chicken thighs, and ground beef for your free meat. So that will only be $107 for your first box, and you'll get all the normal subscription meat. Depending on what you choose, it'll be all beef or it can be a mixture, and then you'll get the 7 pounds of extra meat free. So hit that link below, give it a try. You can cancel anytime. If you get your first box and don't want to keep going, you can cancel, or like I said, you can keep it going and delay the next box. You can get it as often as you want, or you can spread them out as far as you want. All right, well, you guys, thank you so much for unboxing this awesome food with me. Let me know if you have questions. I'm still learning some things about this, but we've been doing this for a couple years and I absolutely love it. So I'm more than happy to help answer your questions or get you answers if you have any. So comment below and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.